A mango is a specific chemical record of the exact environment where it grew. Regional climates act as natural programming for plant life. The specific volume of sunlight, the frequency of rain, and the minerals in the soil force plants to build precise chemical structures to survive their surroundings. In the Deccan region of Maharashtra, the soil is rocky and volcanic. This specific environment creates the natural conditions required for the Alfonso mango tree to thrive. Geography dictates biology. The environmental pressure from this volcanic soil forces the trees to synthesize unique protective plant chemicals called polyphenols. Maharashtra's warm sea air and volcanic soil program the Alfonso tree to manufacture high amounts of sweet-smelling terpenes, along with a protective compound called mangiferin. By contrast, the dry subtropical plains of Uttar Pradesh provide a different set of biological instructions, programming the Langra mango to build large, complex molecules called gallotannins. Each tree functions as a biological factory, packing these regional chemical defenses directly into the fruit. By the time it is harvested, every mango carries a specialized package of plant nutrients. When you eat these mangoes, they travel through your digestive system. However, the human stomach and small intestine lack the tools to absorb these complex plant chemicals. Because they remain unabsorbed, these nutrients are held inside the indigestible fraction, passing through the upper digestive tract entirely untouched. To utilize their benefits, the body relies on the resident bacteria waiting deeper in the gut to perform a complex chemical breakdown. Bypassing the stomach, these intact chemical packages drift deep into the large intestine. Here, they meet the gut microbiome. Trillions of friendly resident bacteria line the intestinal wall, waiting to use these specific plant nutrients as fuel. When the Alfonso mango's unique terpenes enter this environment, they provide a natural layer of protection. These aromatic oils actively stop dangerous food poisoning germs from multiplying. Simultaneously, the Alfonso's mangiferin feeds beneficial bacteria like lactobacillus. These microbes use the chemical to soothe cellular stress and reduce swelling along the intestinal lining. By fueling these friendly microbes with specific geographic chemistry, the Alfonso mango helps them crowd out harmful invaders and maintain a balanced intestinal community. The Langra mango provides a different benefit. Its large gallotannin molecules coat the surface of the gut wall, forming a protective mesh that shields the delicate tissue. To utilize this mesh, helpful gut bacteria must deploy a specialized biochemical tool, an enzyme known as tannase. This animated diagram shows how this process, called biotransformation, works. The bacterial tannase enzyme physically dismantles the massive Langra molecules, breaking them down into smaller, useful fragments. This biochemical reaction releases a highly active plant chemical called gallic acid directly into the colon. Once freed, this gallic acid acts as a repair crew. It fixes damaged areas and raises the electrical resistance of the gut wall, making the barrier tight and leak-proof. Without the specialized tools of the gut bacteria, these powerful geographic chemicals would remain forever bound and unusable to the human body. When gut bacteria break down these plant molecules, they create tiny substances called postbiotics. These easily cross the intestinal wall and enter the bloodstream. The bloodstream carries these postbiotics to distant organs, where they provide full body health benefits. For instance, the Kesar mango from Gujarat is rich in a compound called quercetin. When processed by the gut, it reaches the liver to act as an antioxidant shield, clearing away cellular waste and reducing fat buildup. Other active compounds reach the brain, where they turn off the body's master inflammatory switch. By preventing this switch from activating, the mango metabolites help stop tissue damage and support cognitive health. Through the work of the gut microbiome, localized plant defenses are transformed into a systemic shield that protects the entire human body. Because every region produces a different chemical profile, eating a variety of regional mangoes is essential to feed different species of helpful bacteria. The Banganapali mango from Andhra Pradesh provides unique fibers that bacteria ferment into butyrate. This fatty acid provides the primary fuel for the cells lining your colon, helping them repair and stay strong. Consuming a wide geographic variety of plant chemistries provides the microbial community with a diverse toolkit, building a resilient digestive system. Your internal biology is an extension of the physical landscape. By absorbing a wide range of regional plant chemistry, you use the Earth's diversity to build a blueprint for complete systemic wellness.